Hi guys, it's Ryan here, just doing my daily recap for crude oil here. I've had a pretty spectacular day unfold here today. That was on the cards, but I wasn't expecting it on this magnitude. So off the open here, I was concentrating on this bracket that we had developing on this current 240-minute chart, and we came down and tested the 97.10 into the non-farm payroll farm payroll release, and you can see that level here, the 97.12 area here into yesterday's ETH lows. We see this spike down higher into the 8:30 non-farm payrolls report. And you can see the algo spike it down, and we immediately found bid below this level, and into the RTH open. We see the market come into yesterday's value, and we see rotation back down to the value area low, and today's developing Vwap, and it's also lined up with a perfect entry location. I broke yesterday's TPO profile down. Basically, we had from my perspective, we had this sort of balance area, and we spiked down in H and formed this new sort of balance area. So I split yesterday's profile out into two areas, and off the open we came down, tested the lower balance, and which also lined up with the 5 moving average, exponential moving average on a daily, and also lined up with the current composite value, which we see immediate buying response from. So I established a long position here from Vwap. I actually got in about 74, which was just into the low of the value area, and obviously I was trading my stop below value here, and we immediately found buyers here rotating up to the value area high, which I managed to get scaled, and we see this nice pullback here to the mean inside of Vwap, and what I was actually witnessing at the time was 2 seconds, let me just split these back down. Was this balance area being built in, and what we see was this P-shaped profile. So it looked like we found responsive buyers, and we just see short long liquidation of this P-shaped profile forming. But what actually we saw is this was the buy and tail hold, and we came down and tested the low of this developing distribution, which is where I decided to add to my entry, and I got in about 98.15s, I believe, no 17s, sorry. It was around this area, and as I said, it was just towards the low of this developing distribution, and again we found more bidders, and the market continued to become imbalanced here, and the market went bid and broke out. And what I ended up doing, it's Friday today, and I had some things to do tonight, and just was call it a day early. I already had some great profits banked on this trade, and I just wasn't expecting this to break out as much as it did. So what I did is I basically took my my target into yesterday's highs, and which was yesterday's excess highs, and it was the highs of this bracket that we've been forming. And so I just got out and called it a day, and I came back to look at my charts after getting some food, and just chilling out for a bit, and we just seen this big parabolic breakout. We literally just broke out of this year's high, and we closed this open gap that we were in, and we just spiked real higher here. What's interesting to note is, I've been talking about this over the week anyway, is we've been one time framing on the weekly, and we had this current bracket in place, and as you can see today, we literally just, I've been saying that the destination's been the other side of the bracket, and today we just completed this move and just come up and tested the highs of the bracket to the tick, so on the weekly, which is very interesting. Humongous move. We put in 242 ticks RTH, and ETH we put in 313, so it's a humongous move today, and in the crude oil, and I managed to capture some of it, but like I said, I let a lot on the table today. you can also see that we came up and tested this this current channel high. So it was a calculated move, and just a very big move up today. So I mean, we just completely cleared this week's value, and as this market just went bid up today. So just a very powerful explosive move here, and just really wasn't expecting this to happen. I mean, if I didn't sort of finish my day early and look to target the highs, and I literally probably could have just trailed my runner outside of value and just captured this whole move. But I haven't been really feeling very well this week, and I've been sitting here all day just watching the market grind, and I just decided to target yesterday's highs as a logical place to get out, and that was me done. So, but I mean, some interesting thing here is I observed is when we did break out and test this open gap that we had. I mean, I see some huge sellers kind of some profit taking coming in here. I mean, you can see that this the open gap level was 99.01, and you can see this huge seller here was right into the $99 a barrel level. So I mean, it held the market in its tracks for a couple of seconds, and then the market just continued to go and bid here, and ended up driving a lot higher than 99. I mean, we actually went to $100 a barrel. So literally from one extreme to the other. I mean, the 97.12 low to 114 high. I mean, it's just a pretty crazy move up here today in this market. Anyway, I hope you all traded safe today, and you didn't catch yourself on the wrong side of this move, and you able to profit from it. Just another thing here, which is interesting, is the fact that we tested this previous profile's point of control to the tick. So just some interesting observations here, how the market reacted today, and what levels we did test after we broke out. I mean, we did see some small balance come in here, and into the close we see a massive spike with a famous K period spike. Obviously, still more buying to be done into the close here, as this as the psychology behind this market just really caught the buyers really hitting the bid, lifting the offer higher today. Anyway, I hope you all had a great day, and you've had a great week, and as usual, if you have any questions, please ask on my journal, and I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll catch you next week. Take care and goodbye.